Okay, once you have it ironed in place, you should be able to lift it up and it won't fall off. Now we're going to put our stitch and tear on the back. If you don't have any stitch and tear, you can try using other fabrics. Stitch and tear is the best though, because when you wash it, you don't end up with stuff all around the edges fraying up on the back, bulking out the applique. It only needs to be a little bigger than your applique. Might as well save the excess for another one. And you want to place it right underneath. Make sure everything's good and smooth. And then you're just going to pin it in place, not on the applique, but on actually around it. You won't have any reason to put a pin through the applique because the adhesive holds it. I usually just do all 4 corners. And the stitch and tear will help you have a much nicer, sturdier looking applique so it doesn't get as bunched up. It should be just like that.